begin.
Hi guys, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I'm going to demonstrate project name Smart Bike Stand using Arduino microcontroller. So in this project we are using some components like bike stand, then key lock, then we have the battery, 3 batteries connected in series, 12-volt battery, power supply module, Arduino microcontroller, and this structure. Okay, now I will explain block diagram of this project and how things are connected. So for block diagram we have Arduino Uno. Water. In the description, you can go to a link and find this block diagram. Servo motor. Its height of servo motor more than 25 kg or 25 kg, whichever is available, you can use. Then we have 5-volt supply, and here we can have 12-volt battery. That's the block diagram, basic block diagram of the project. And if I complete this block diagram and convert it into circuit diagram, it will be like this. At A0 pin, we are using key lock. Key lock is nothing, just completing one circuit. So I will put it to ground. When you move this switch, circuit is completed. When you move back, this pin is triggered. And how the servo motor will move? 0 degree to 90 degree. And when you move back, like switch off, it will be back to stand position. And structure is like this, and you can see here also. Like it will be going like this and going like this. That's the circuit of diagram of the project. So guys, now let's see output of this project, how this project will work. So first you have to turn on this battery and switch on your bike. It will go like this. And if you turn it off, it will go back. Okay, this way it will work. Okay. Now I will explain the construction, how we have constructed it. So L clamps, MDF board, bike switch, wooden frame, metal frame version is also there. You can check in description. You can use metal version also. Then we have high torque servo motor, 20 kg dot centimeter. Then we have some components. This one is your 4-volt connected battery in series. Okay, then it is giving the potential of 12 volt, then button, charging port, then we have socket, then we have 1N4007 diode, capacitor for smoothing the input, then 7805, this is the IC, main IC. Its work is to give 5 volt stable output, regulated output, then LED to show that it is working, then capacitor, then resistance to limit the current for LED, which is 5 milliampere. And we have small capacitor for the smoothing of output. Then we have Arduino microcontroller. Okay, 5 volt we have given from this to this. Then ground, green wire we have represented, and this one is your output for the servo motor, this one, and this is for your button. And you can also use DC motor, but don't use it because it will not hold the position. It will drop to 0 again. Okay. And because this servo motor is controlling through the small IC inside it, the positions, DC motor won't. This type of motor can also use. Okay, and for more detail, please check description. You can buy this project from our website, and you can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you want to view the Hindi version, please check. I will explain in that also. And thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.